Ever stared blankly at a form asking for your bank account and routing numbers, feeling a sudden, inexplicable panic? Like you've lost the keys to your financial kingdom? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, where everything is digital and seemingly ephemeral, knowing where to find your crucial banking details is more important than ever. Especially when you're running a business, managing invoices, or setting up direct deposits. Think about it. You're trying to onboard a new client, or maybe you're finally setting up that automated payroll system you've been putting off. But then, you hit a snag. They need your account and routing numbers. And suddenly, you're scrambling, digging through old emails, or trying to remember if you wrote them down somewhere. This happens all the time, especially with modern digital banking platforms like Northone, which are designed for speed and efficiency. But that efficiency means you might not have a physical checkbook lying around with those numbers printed on them. So, where do you find them? How do you access those vital digits when you need them most? Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly that. We're going to demystify the process of finding your account and routing numbers on Northone. We'll walk through the simple steps, ensuring you never again feel that momentary panic when those numbers are requested. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why these numbers are so important. Your routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank. It's like the address of your bank, allowing financial institutions to know where to send and receive funds. Your account number, on the other hand, is specific to your individual account within that bank. Together, they form the crucial identifiers that allow money to move securely and accurately. Think of it like this: the routing number is the street address, and the account number is the apartment number. Without both, the delivery, or in this case, the transaction, won't reach its intended destination. Now, let's get down to business. How do you find these numbers on Northone? The good news is, Northone has made it incredibly easy. You don't need to dig through piles of paperwork or call customer service, though they are always available if you need them. The primary method for finding your account and routing numbers is through the Northone mobile app. Yes, it's that simple. Northone is a digital bank designed for modern businesses, and their mobile app is the central hub for all your banking needs. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Northone app installed on your smartphone. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store or Google Play and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. This dashboard provides an overview of your account balances and recent transactions. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the Account Details section. It's usually prominently displayed on the dashboard or accessible through a menu option. The exact location might vary slightly depending on updates to the app, but it's generally easy to find. Tap on Account Details. Here, you'll find all the essential information related to your account. This includes your account number, routing number, and sometimes even your account type. The numbers are typically displayed clearly and are often copyable. This means you can simply tap and hold on the number to copy it to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into forms or share with others. If you don't see the numbers immediately, look for an option like Show Account and Routing Numbers or a similar phrase. Tapping this will reveal the information you need. It's important to note that Northone prioritizes security. Therefore, you might be asked to verify your identity before accessing sensitive information like your account and routing numbers. This could involve entering your password, using biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, or receiving a verification code via SMS or email. This extra layer of security is crucial to protect your financial information. It ensures that only you, the authorized account holder, can access these sensitive details. Now, let's talk about a couple of alternative scenarios. What if you don't have access to the mobile app? Maybe your phone is lost, or you're experiencing technical difficulties. In such cases, you can access your account and routing numbers through the Northone web platform. Simply log into your Northone account through your web browser. The process is similar to the mobile app. Navigate to the Account Details section, and you'll find your account and routing numbers displayed. Remember, Northone is built for business owners, which means they understand the importance of quick and efficient access to your financial information. They've designed their platform with user-friendliness in mind. Now, let's address a few common questions that people often have about finding their account and routing numbers. Question 1. Are my account and routing numbers the same for all my Northone accounts? If you have multiple accounts with Northone, each account will have its own unique account number. However, the routing number will likely be the same, as it identifies the bank itself. Question 2. Can I find my account and routing numbers on my Northone debit card? No, your account and routing numbers are not printed on your Northone debit card. The card contains your card number, expiration date, and CVV, which are used for card transactions. Your account and routing numbers are used for direct deposits, wire transfers, and ACH transactions. Question 3. Is it safe to share my account and routing numbers? Yes, it's safe to share your account and routing numbers with trusted parties when necessary, such as for setting up direct deposits or receiving payments. However, you should always be cautious about who you share this information with and avoid sharing it over unsecured channels. Finding your account and routing numbers on Northone is a straightforward process, thanks to their user-friendly platform. By following the steps we've outlined, you can quickly access these crucial details whenever you need them. Remember, the key is to familiarize yourself with the Northone mobile app and web platform. Knowing where to find your account details will save you time and reduce stress, allowing you to focus on running your business. In today's world, where digital banking is the norm, having quick and easy access to your financial information is essential. Northone understands this and has made it simple to find your account and routing numbers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.